In the beginning, there was darkness, and then, bang, giving birth to an endless expanding existence of time, space, and matter. Now see further than we've ever imagined, beyond the limits of our existence, in a place we call the universe.
Are there planets beyond our solar system? It's a question few had dared to probe.
The origin of hunting for planets started really from the lunatic fringe of science.
Now hundreds of these exotic worlds have been found. Could any of them be home to alien life?
Right now, the sort of planets we're discovering are kind of monsters.
You would be incinerated immediately before you had a chance to really sort of groove on your surroundings.
But some planets hold more promise.
I'm so excited about Gliese 436, I'm almost jumping out of my clothes.
Could we be on the verge of finding another Earth?
We still don't know whether our Earth is a commonly occurring planet or a 1 in a billion freak.
Cutting-edge science, strange worlds, and wild weather as we travel the universe in search of alien planets. Lurking in the constellation Pegasus, 50 light-years from Earth, is a monstrous planet. A superheated gas giant almost as massive as Jupiter, whipping around its star in a little over 4 days. It's called 51 Pegasi b, and in 1995, it became the first planet detected orbiting an alien sun. It was a landmark discovery, but just a stepping stone on an even greater quest to find a planet that looks more like our own. The ultimate but elusive goal for astronomers is to find another Earth.
What we're after is the appreciation of where our Earth fits in the grand context of our universe, and we'd love to be able to find other Earths. But Earths are so undetectable, little chunks of rock that don't emit much light.
How common might Earth-like planets be in the universe? Even if only 1% of all stars were circled by a planet like our own, that would still mean there are billions of other Earths waiting to be discovered.
We are almost sure that rocky Earth-like planets exist in abundance out there. But how Earth-like? There are still open questions about the uniqueness of our Earth. And we don't know whether our Earth is unusual or not. It's an extremely profound and, I think, disturbing question.
In the realm of alien planets, there's a wide range of imaginable worlds. We might find ocean worlds, completely covered in water, frigid ice planets, Mars-like worlds, but perhaps with thick atmospheres, fed by massive active volcanoes, and even planets with 2 suns in their skies. There may be planets that humans would find hospitable, and others on which humans wouldn't dare tread, that could still be home to other types of creatures.
Perhaps the major lesson we've learned so far from looking for planets around other stars is that nature can make a lot more planets than we can dream of.
Finding just one other truly Earth-like planet would hint that Earths are common in the universe. And if Earths are common, then perhaps life too is widespread. But of the over 200 alien planets detected so far, most of them seem utterly hostile to life as we know it.
So far, we've found sort of 3 kinds of worlds. One kind are the planets that are really close to the star that they orbit, and they're totally baked to death. Then there are the ones that are quite far away, and they're pretty cold. And then there are the ones in the highly eccentric orbits, which sometimes get close to the star and sometimes far away. So they're alternately very hot and cold. So far, we definitely haven't found any worlds with jungles and forests. Indeed, we haven't found any worlds that are square smack in the habitable zone where there's liquid water on the surface and other nice conditions.
Our frame of reference for what we consider to be a nice planet is this one. We like it quite a bit. We've got breathable air, it's a pleasant temperature, and there's water. And even in our own solar system, we don't see a lot of planets like that. And right now, the sort of planets we're discovering are kind of monsters. In other words, they're extremes.